why are you overthinking when you can allow the AI to help you calm your nerves, do the work for you, and not stress yourself? What you want to take for 1 hour, the AI too can just help you for just 5 minutes or less. Like I'll be putting in here my video that I spoke about the AI tools that will help you get keywords, get tags, get you hashtags, thumbnails, description that will get you more views. If you are the kind of person that you are always overthinking it on how to navigate or how to get through to this YouTube palaver, you don't need to stress yourself. This YouTube service AI, social media too. Most of what this thing we are doing now, it is now artificial intelligence that is taking over. So you can be doing your talking like this now. We don't have AI that can be doing this one for us now. So just take your time to know that okay, what I need to do is to sit down and bring content or say one or two things. But the thumbnail, the keywords, the description, let AI do the magic for you. So that's why I'm bringing you another one that is called Rapid Tags. So let's dive to my YouTube studio so you could see how to use it, and you thank me later. And if you know this, you'll thank me later. Yeah, you thank me later. So let's just go. Yeah.
This is another AI tool that will help you get your tags fastly. No need to rack your brain or stress yourself. Then you go to this place, you use tag generator. When you click on use tag generator, so you're going to come here, say enter your next YouTube video. See, it's almost the same to enter your next title you want to use on your YouTube video. So let's say okay, I want to put monetization. Monetize. Okay, no, let me use how to get monetized. Okay, I've written it before, how to get monetized. You come here, you click on it, you will see how to get monetized on YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube fast, how to monetize your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, how long it takes to get monetized, make money on YouTube, get monetized on YouTube. Tell me how you want to think about these tags. How do you want to think about these tags? Those tags that you're saying, how do you want to think about? See, how to get monetized on YouTube 2023, how to get monetized on YouTube 2024. See how it is. How to get monetized on YouTube 2025. How do you want to think about those tags? That I just did this in less than 2 minutes and I've gotten all this, and then you'll be thinking, overthinking and overthinking. That's why I say that let AI tools do the work for you. It is called artificial intelligence. Let all your stress put it on AI. This YouTube we are doing, this social media, it is AI. They get all their data. In short, I don't want to talk too much. Let's just go. So, and every other thing. So, so as it is here, you just click on copy tags. It's copied. All these things now is copied. You will go and post it on your description when you're uploading your video, right? So you put all those things. Like I said in my, I'll put the video that I feel you should go and watch when I talked about the um AI tools that will help you, give you you just ask SEO for tags, title, maybe you need a thumbnail, ideas, descriptions and everything. Those tools help you. Those tools help you to get excuse me, those tools help you how to get it, because sometimes in Meta AI or ChatGPT, you can ask, please help me with the most used keywords on monetization. You will just see it will even give you figures. Oh, this is the most used, top 10 most used keyword. One, have people have used this keyword 5,000 times, people have used this keyword 200 times. You will see it there, so you'll be able to know which one to use. This AI tool is just helping you, and with this you can get views, because when people are putting these tags or these keywords, your video pops up, and when they say your thumbnail is on point, your title is on point, they will just click on your videos, because this is not only the thing that you need. You need a good thumbnail, you need a good title. Those are the things that will catch your audience, because they kept these tags there. Your video has popped up. Maybe somebody put how to get monetized on YouTube 2025, and people that use these keywords, maybe they are just few, or they don't know how this setting works. Your video will just come up, will pop up. But if you don't have a good thumbnail or a good title, they may just swipe to another person. Do you get? So that's just it. If you find this very useful, which I know you will, please don't forget to subscribe, share to